Let's go, everyone. Today we're unboxing this beautiful OMIRO hand mirror, 6.3 inches by 9.6 inches. New item, handle with care, ultra fragile. Mirror is made of glass. Always use caution. Let's go. All right. Boom. Always gotta have hand mirrors, you know, to make sure that you're looking fresh. Check yourself. All right. Oh, okay. Packaged well. I like how it's a small cardboard box. Minimal. Ooh. Got the comb, you know. Let's go. This is a free edition. Here we go. Boom. 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 So fresh. So clean. All right, this is it. I'm gonna drop a link in the description if you want to buy this handheld mirror. Great size, perfect for everyday grooming. Let's go. Gotta look fresh. Hope you're all doing well. Have a great day. Talk to you next time. Bye.